didn't give up. I got my first real kiss behind the coffee shop. Thought he was
Tomorrow feels like sunlight spilling through the blinds. I don't know if I'll reach it, maybe I won't mind. I keep returning, tracing steps I left behind, as if the past could teach me what I'd like to find. Something you can adore. And all this time I wonder, am I getting closer to you, getting closer to you? After all this time, have you made up your mind?